Recently, I published a video showing how to remove a shower drain, like the one you see here. This one was a bit trickier than I was expecting. I've been surprised to see just how many people have run into the same issue. If your shower drain is like this one, then check out the link in the description below so you can see how to remove it. However, there are two other kinds of shower drains that are very common, and so in this video, I'm going to cover how to remove those as well. They are very similar, but they have some slight differences. So if yours is like this one, then it'll have a set screw, like this. All you have to do is use a screwdriver and loosen that screw. Then it should pop right out. Then when it's time to put it back in, all you gotta do is put it in place and tighten the screw. Then you should be good to go. The next one does not have a set screw, and you don't unscrew it from the top. Instead, you have to turn the entire cap to remove it. And here's how. Just like that.
Because this is a different kind. It's got that little L, like that you want to unscrew from down here. So what you gotta do is pull it up and turn, and then you start twisting so it unscrews from here. So you can pull it up. So we'll put it back in. We'll go here. There we go.
I hope that your shower drain is like one of the ones covered in this video, or like the one in my previous video, and I hope they helped you out. If either of the videos were helpful to you, please leave a comment. Also like and subscribe, that really helps me out. Thank you.